Hello students, today we shall deal with linear programming problems, and today's topic is graphic method of linear programming. How can we solve it? Let's work on the question. Now the topic is solve graphically the following linear programming problem, that is maximize z equals 4x plus 5y subject to the constraint 2x plus 3y equals to 12, and second constraint is 2x plus y equals to 8, where x and y is greater than or equal to 0. How can we solve this? Firstly, uh, make this inequality into equality. Making inequality of constraint into equality. This will be 2x plus 3y equals to 12. Put this as first equation, and 2x plus y equals to 8 as a second equation. We are working on a first equation at the initial stage, that is 2x plus 3y equals to 12, and make a table. It can be x and y, as there are x and y which are given. Put x equals to 0 and simultaneously for y equals to 0 as well in a second part. Put x equals to 0, keep your finger on the x and take the another equation, 0 plus 3y equals to 12. Y equals to 12 oblique 3 equals to 4. So when x is 0, then y will be 4, and for x and y it will be 0 comma 4. Initially put y equals to 0 and see the equation. 2x plus 0 equals to 12. 2x equals to 12. X equals to 12 oblique 2 equals to 6. So there will be 6 which can be put into x, and the inequality will be 6 comma 0. Next one is hold on, and then take the second equation. This will be 2x plus y equals to 6, 2x plus y equals to 8, and again make the table. By the graphic method we can solve it easily. Likewise, it's again x and y, x comma y. Put x equals to 0 and y equals to 0. When we are putting x equals to 0, then y will be 8, and write down 8 over here. So this will be 0 comma 8. Afterwards put y equals to 0, 2x plus 0 equals to 8, 2x equals to 8, x equals to 8 oblique 2 equals to 4. So here we can write 4, and it will be 4 comma 0. We got the values, and then do this in graph first. Yeah, we can make the graph like it's a graph. and we are seeing this. First one is for the first equation, this is 0 comma 4. Here write down x and y and see, when there is x equals to 0, then y will be 4. Write down 1 2 4 1 2 3 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Firstly, see the extreme values, means up to which value we must have to extend this graph. As maximum value is 8, write down 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Again on x as well, it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. We had prepared the graph. Now see the values. When x is 0, y is 4. For the first equation, this is when x is 0, y is 4. And for second one, when x is 0, when x is 6, y is 0. So we got 2 points. Just make this. Hold on. Generate the line, that is 0 to 4 to 6. Make the line. It will be like this, and you can write down the equation. This is the first equation, 2x plus 3y equals to 12. Again afterwards, see the second equation and generate a line on the graph as well. For the second equation, this was 0 to 8. When x is 0, y is 8. Dot the point. When x is 0, y is 8. When x is 4, y is 0. When x is 4, y is 0. Generate a proper line. This will be like this. We had generated a line, and write down the equation. The equation is 2x plus y equals to 8. Now see the feasible point. Feasible points are 0 is a common point. Here write down a and b. As the equation is lesser than or equal to first and second equation, so a, b and c. These are the points, and the shaded portion shows we have to generate the corner points of this. So we can write down, hold on, we can generate the corner points. See, there are 4 corner points which must be generated and explained. For the graphic method, we had generated a graph as well, and let's make the corner points. Write down corner points. And see their coordinates. Then we have to see the objective function. What was the objective function? Check your copy and you will see the objective function. The question or objective function was z equals to 4x plus 5y. Try to solve this and get the value. So as we had seen in the question, there were 4 points. See the graph, there were 4 points. It was 0, A, B and C. 0 A, B and C. So the feasible area of 0 A, B, C, we had to get the coordinates. As we had already solved this, the coordinates were, for the 0 it was 0 to 0. Put the value in objective function, that was z equals to 4x plus 5y, or when we are putting 0 into x plus 5 into 0 equals to, it will be 0. So the value is 0. Next one is for A. For A, this was, see your table, it was 0 to 4, 0 comma 4. Make the coordinate, fill the coordinates into objective function. This is 4 into 0 plus 5 into 4. This is 20. So the value we got 5 into 4, 20. For B, it was, we had solved the values of x and y for B, and this was, we have to solve this, as this is a feasible point. Hold on please. As this is a feasible point where the accurate value is not given, so we have to solve this. It is better to solve instead of checking it on a graph. So for the point B, we can write down, for point B, the value is, put the first and second equation as 2x plus 3y equals to 12 and 2x plus y equals to 8. For solving this equation, we had to put the minus sign, as this is already solved. Minus, minus and minus. So it will be 3y minus 1y equals to 2y equals to 12 minus 8 equals to 4. That will be minus 4. Plus 4. Yes, plus 4. Y equals to 4 oblique 2 equals to 2. Again, put the value of y into equation 1. 2x plus 3, as the value of y was 2, so equals to 12. 2x plus 6 equals to 12. 2x equals to 12 minus 6. 2x equals to 6, as 12 minus 6, 6. X equals to 6 oblique 2 equals to 3. So we got the coordinates 3 and 2. We can write down over for getting the maximum value. The subject is maximization. So on the B, we got 3 comma 2. These are the coordinates which we got. That is z equals to 4 into 3 plus 5 into 2 equals to 22. And for C point on the graph, as we had made for C point on the graph, it was 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0. So z equals to 4 into 4 plus 5 into 0 equals to 16. And so we can finish this as the maximum value, or subject to maximization, the maximized value or maximum value is on B point, where x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. We can write it down as, answer is maximum value or maximization is at B point, where x equals to 2, x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. So this is answer. That's it. I think it's finished. Thank you very much.